Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing really well out there today. I'm doing great. We're gonna do something a little bit different today. We're gonna do an actual comparison side-by-side video, right? So hear me out. My editing skills are terrible. I'll tell you that straight up. My editing skills are not great. This is my first time to try a side-by-side video. I think it came out pretty good, but obviously you guys will let me know for sure. But anyways, the comparison video is gonna be between, we have on the left-hand side here, Mortal Kombat, the original Sega Genesis version, and then on the right hand side we have Mortal Kombat, the arcade edition, which was another version they did a little bit later. Someone took the game, enhanced it, enhanced the graphics, enhanced the sound, enhanced the overall quality of the game, in my personal opinion. But what I want you guys to do is just watch the video and take in everything. Watch the backgrounds between the two games. Watch or listen to the sounds. I'm gonna have both of them kind of playing at the same time, so just kind of carefully listen to the sounds. Again, look at the visuals, the sounds, the overall quality of the game. The gameplay is a tiny bit different, very minimal, but there is a little bit of differences in the actual gameplay. But overall, that's the big thing. Is just take in what you can, and give me your actual opinion of the games. Personally, spoiler alert, right? Spoiler alert. Personally, my favorite version of Mortal Kombat for the Sega Genesis is the newer Mortal Kombat Arcade Edition. Okay, I love it because they took the Mortal Kombat Sega Genesis game and they added to it and tweaked a few things to make it better. They made the actual fireballs and stuff, the projectiles in the game. They made the actual correct color. Like Sonya has pink rings, and Johnny Cage has actual green fireball and a green slide kick. So they made it more accurate to the arcade. The backgrounds they did better. The actual again, like I said, I want you guys to pay attention to it, but the actual backgrounds have been redone in a good way, or not redone, but just tweaked. They've been fixed a little bit. Including stuff like Shang Tsung does the clapping now. Whenever you beat your opponent in the throne room, or when you beat them out in the courtyard, Shang Tsung and the monks will actually clap, and you can hear it and see it. Pay attention to the font. The font is better on the in my opinion. Again, on the arcade edition, the font is bigger and better and bolder. Love that. But again, I want you guys to come up with your own opinion. Tell me which one's better. Don't get me wrong, this is a great version of the game. I absolutely love the original Mortal Kombat for Sega Genesis. Grew up playing this, right? So back in the day, to me, it was everything. It was an amazing version of the game. But whereas this one I discovered more recently, and I still love this game, but I'm glad that they tweaked some of the things from this game to make it that much better, right? So yeah, that being said, guys, pay attention to the sights, the sounds, all that good stuff. And we'll get started here in just a moment. One thing to note, I'm not going to be doing any commentating in the video. I just want you guys to see it side by side. So because of that, I'm going to go and tell you right now, on the left-hand side when you're watching it, that will be the actual arcade edition. And on the right-hand side, that will be the original Sega Genesis version. So anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get started. I hope you enjoy the video. Please leave your comments at the end, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Johnny Cage. Flawless victory. Fight. Kano wins. Flawless victory. Fatality. Kano wins. Fight. Kano wins. Fatality. Kano wins. Flawless victory. Kano wins. Flawless victory. Fatality. Kano wins. Flawless victory. Kano wins. Fight. Kano wins. Fatality. Kano wins. Fight. Flawless victory. Kano wins. Fatality. Kano wins. Kano wins. Fatality. Kano wins. Reptile. Kano wins. Johnny Cage. Kano. Raiden. Liu Kang. Scorpion. Sub-Zero. Sonya. Test your might. Kano. Liu Kang. Raiden. Johnny Cage. Scorpion. Sub-Zero. Sonya.